Hey guys, it's Shaun from Come Along with Shaun.
Today we're talking about
Toontown in Disneyland. The renovated Toontown just opened on March 19th after a surprising California snow delay. The area had closed early in 22 with the premier new attraction Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway opening before everything else on January 27th. That ride opened to fantastic reviews. The new Toontown has added more green space, trees, games, and a new interactive fountain, while classic areas like Mickey and Minnie's house and Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin have stayed mostly unchanged. Other areas have been removed or reworked, such as Goofy's house, Donald's boat, Chip and Dale Treehouse, and Gadget's Go Coaster. I'm glad you can still go into the replica houses and see all kinds of memorabilia and fun interactive elements, and even watch old classic cartoons on the TVs. Goofy's house now has a cool Rube Goldberg style machine that makes fake candy. You can no longer go inside Donald's boat, but they added some new play equipment where you can hang with Huey, Dewey, and Louie, so I love the updates there. The Chip and Dale Treehouse has been removed, which is okay, because there wasn't much to do in there. And Gadget's Go Coaster has been rethemed to be Chip and Dale's Gadget Coaster, but it is largely unchanged. They also replaced the Mickey Mouse fountain, so it now features 30 minutes of different water effects, and removed the Roger Rabbit fountain. There is a new Engineer souvenir shop, which has tons of exclusive new merchandise, and a restaurant named Cafe Daisy, and a fruit and beverage stand called Good Boy Grocers. The new eateries have tons of interesting new food items, and the new green spaces are perfect for picnics. I'm excited about the additions to Toontown. I hope to check it out sometime soon. And remember to punch that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you soon.